show you Yucky Science Clear Glue of 3 bottles which I ordered from Flipkart. So some people may know that I ordered this parcel from Flipkart. So yeah, so let's open it and begin and open this. So we have all our items, bowl and activator. So let's open this. So we can see like here. So it's really well packed. It's like really well packed, which I really loved. So let's open it. And sorry for the background noises, or the background. Here you can see the glue is looking here. It's really OMG, the slime bottles are like really small as I expected, but it's okay, we will try this. So I want to tell you that the full cost of this parcel is 244 rupees with shipping. The shipping price is 45 rupees. So it's not a big deal. It's not that expensive. So yeah. So here we got one bottle. We will open this after. So here we got one bottle. It's looking like this. You can see. It's looking very nice, like clear glue. So let's try this. And please guys, ignore the background noises and the background of the bowl. So we will add the glue in it. So let's open this. So here is the glue. Oh my god. We will try a little bit, so yeah. So here you can see how clear. See a little bit bubbles in there. So let's try and add activator in it a little bit, not too much. So let's mix it. I think these are the instructions here. Yes. So we'll read it after. I will show you the result after 2 days. So I think this will get clear like more 1.5 day, because this slime is so small. It's stretchy, I think, yeah. But after 2 days it will get a little bit melted or sticky. So that is not the problem for us. But I will definitely show the result after 2 days. So guys, here is the slime. But I think it's got overactivated, or the glue is like this. Comment down below that what happened to this slime. Is this slime overactivated or the glue remains same? So keep it into an airtight container for 2 days and let it sit it. Then after we will see the result. So guys, we will see the result. So guys, bye. This is the slime after 2 days. And here's the result. You can see how clear is this. I really love this, and first time I made clear transparent slime. You can see my fingers below the slime. It's a really nice clear slime. Let's see. I love the clarity of the slime. Let's play with it and see if this is hard. Oh my gosh, that's so clear. Oh my god. So this is not stretchy and a little bit hard, and it's a little bit hard but a little bit foggy, but it's okay. I don't know why this slime is not stretchy. Please guys comment your suggestions, like comment down what is happening to this slime, why it is not stretchy. It's really clear. You can see some clumps in there, so how to take out these clumps, comment down below. You see so many clumps in it. That's why the slime is not stretchy and hard. But I really love the clarity of this slime, but it's not stretchy. The thing, I don't like this.